Hey everyone, today we are at B&H Photo and we are going to be unboxing the Sony A74 and the accessories with the Tamron 24-70 lens. So first we have the Sony A74 camera body. See the box. You can see the box. We have some paperwork. And then the camera body itself. Ta-da! That looks stunning. You can see here, sensor, full frame sensor. You can see all the features, especially the flip out screen. You can tilt. Then we have the strap here, the battery here, and then we have the charger plus the cable. Okay, now we will look at the accessories we got. So this is the SD card, the 128GB Sony Tough SD card. So we'll unbox that in a second. And then we have the extra battery. And then we have an extra camera bag. Alright, now here's the bag. See here, space for the camera and space for the lens. There's an extra strap. Just a tag. Hunter 35 holster bag. Now, this is the battery, the Watson Leon battery pack. You can see that right here. Now, we can look at the SD card. You have some paperwork and whatnot, and then the SD card itself. And finally, we will be unboxing the Tamron 24-70 f2.8 lens. So we have some paperwork, and then the lens itself. Now, now we will be putting everything together. So let's start off first with the camera and the battery. Open this. It was like this and lock. Now we will be adding the SD card. So we just open like this. Now we can see we have the two SD card slots. Okay, so here's the SD card, and then we can put it just like. Okay, so it goes right in here, and then you can close it up. Alright, now finally we will be adding the lens. So first, let's take this off. Let's take this off. And find the matching spot. So, here and then it's clicked into place. Now we can take this off and add the lens hood. Just like that, we have the fully built camera. And that's everything, plus this, and then the bag and the extra battery. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.